What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of r with respect to theta. So dr over d theta. So we have sine theta squared times cosine 2 theta. So we need to use the product rule and also chain rule. So it's gonna be derivative of this part times this plus this one times derivative of this part. We know when we have uv, derivative will be u prime v plus u times v prime. That's called product rule. So we do the same thing here. It's going to be derivative of sine theta squared times cosine 2 theta plus sine theta squared times derivative of cosine 2 theta. So that's going to be 2 theta times cosine theta squared times cosine 2 theta plus sine theta squared times negative 2 sine 2 theta. That's going to be the product rule. Now let's simplify it. We have 2 theta cosine theta squared cosine 2 theta minus 2 sine theta squared sine 2 theta. We cannot really simplify it more than that. Just leave it like that. So that's going to be the answer to this question. Derivative of r with respect to theta. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need extra practice question. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding differentiation, integration and other topics in calculus, chemistry and physics.